No, 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 no. No, woman, no cry. No, woman, no cry. No, 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 no.
So why you feel the youths wear their pants like that? For what reason?
For now, it's enough reasons.
Yeah.
Real thing, it's enough reasons. And
Why
me,
you wear yours? That
Me?
way? Yeah.
For now, low so how it is now called walking book place. I think the game man I can't remember is me.
But I wanna know why do you wear it down so? You fall in the other style, you fall in the style.
Nah,
It's a style.
I don't follow.
So
the
wait,
style.
so you come up with the idea, you come up with the idea, it's a style that going wrong.
And the style.
I mean a style.
Listen, Bucky or there, I can bet you call it, you know, son.
Now we used to wear we parts things, so we part we wear we part drum, then we get a piece of string or plastic bag. Believe you, I'm tie the tabs together. I keep me parts thing, right?
I do that there though. For no
But let's say you know what these parts, these that you parts can come right up. But you wearing it all.
But if the police chasing you too, you can't run.
For no, I go run. I go run, but I don't.
But no, I'm just saying, you can't even run if something happen and you're gonna move. So anytime you look at it, is a.
So when you was walking, you know, you pass the sort of thing, I'll drop. Quite there, so you know, it can drop right down, you know.
Nah, never.
But it's a style. It's a style.
Well, certain people is call it a style.
Right.
It's just me. I don't go my little alcohol. I come for food for my bedroom.
Yeah.
Right, you know.
True.
Then my son.
Okay.
My son. So I.
I thought you
know
telling me
the
right.
liberty, but you know what time it is.
I know how it is.
All right. Alright, soldier. Yeah, for real.
Real thing.
But
enough love.
enough love
Yeah,
still.
enough love.
You know
Now
what I
you
mean?
belong to me still.
Yeah.
I mean, we're trying to keep on the body right path, right?
Yeah. We're family. We're family.
Yeah.
Right?
I say, yeah. My mother is a Christian. My father is a Christian. We can't rock.
Okay.
So that's our living.
You know the liberty.
I know how it is.
Yeah.
It just I don't fall on the body.
True.
For now, my family, everything come after.
True.
So you advise the youths coming up that
So
you
we
know
got
that
to say to
come
the youths.
It
Come
just
up.
The youths coming up.
yokes.
No, they're getting involved in crime and getting involved in certain things that ending up dead or in prison. What you gonna say to them?
We ain't got son.
As a youth man, 28 years old.
They ain't looking for name.
Huh?
They ain't looking for name. They ain't looking for the word or the whole thing though. It's part you live.
Yeah.
And like well I play like me. Friends is lead them astray.
Friends.
Real thing, friends. If a man think this way, you playing fast thing. And then so
True.
let's work hard for what we want. Got enough people or youngsters nowadays like fast things. Understand?
So we're gonna do whatever it is to get it.
That way it is right now.
Yeah, we just saying from the side of the youths. You know what I mean?
In my time,
Yeah.
children get enough less. Real thing, soldier. But in my time, Cody getting bad and instead of do his legs. No, and that's all. It's free.
You got youths too?
Nah,
Okay.
for now. When the come.
Yeah.
I don't think prayer for it or an answer. If the come.
Yeah.
But certainly younger people there, they ain't really up to right.
True.
Real thing.
True.
Now who you falling all the time be?
True.
And people that got the money, doing whatever the feel like.
True.
Real thing.
I like we like the energy, man. Just keep the plans.
Yeah.
Keep the works and you know what I mean?
Real thing.
But still the pants issue we gonna attack that all the time, yeah?
But
We attack we attacking that. See
100% mistake. I got your number.
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
Yeah, for
Now you know prove that you love
right.
me. You know give me love.
That's right.
You know give me love. You just
Sure
give me $1
love.
million, Dave.
Sure love,
You
man.
give me love. You make my heart feel good. Right? You make my heart feel good.
Right.
Honestly,
Yeah.
that is worth more than $1 million.
Yeah, for real.
Honestly.
Bless it, bless it.
Bless
Joe.
it. All the
travel
time.
safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.